In front of me is an ASUS ZenFone Max Pro M1, and today I'll show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode. So by default you will find it in the notification panel, so if you pull it down and extend it, you will see the Do Not Disturb, and you can tap on it to enable it at the moment, and it will basically be working as it's set by default. And if you want to check how it's set, you can just hold it as well, and you'll get taken to the settings, and then you have priority only allows. So basically that's what it will be allowed, and you have events, reminders, and then messages, none, calls only from contacts. So if you would enable it by default by checking it on like this, only contacts would be able to call you, and messages would be basically completely silent and invisible to, like, it wouldn't even light up. You can also tap on it to change it, so you can also add contacts or favorite. Now steered contacts are basically favorite. And you can do the same thing with calls. And then you can disable events and reminders depending on how you like it. I'm gonna actually disable it for the moment. And if you go back, you can always set this up however you like, but then you can also add basically a schedule. So it will be automatically turning on and off. So let's just add one and time roll. And from here you have days. So basically you set up the day you want it to work in. So for instance, we can set it up to be only working Monday through Friday. So when you're working, for instance, so I'm gonna disable the weekend and then tap on done. Then start time I can set up when I'm getting to work. So let's just set it up to, let's say, 9 AM. Okay. And then end time, I end at 7 PM. So tap on OK. Actually, let's change this to actual AM right there. And then do not disturb preference, priority only, alarm only, or total silence. Priority is whatever we have set up previously, or you can have total silence if you like. So for instance, if this is a work environment, I could just set it up for total silence, and then no one will be able to reach me till 7 PM. Actually, it's actually set up correctly, which is 5 PM that I end. So now basically at Monday through Friday at the 9 AM till 5 PM, this will be in total silence, no one will be able to reach me, and it will basically go out of this mode after basically that time, and then basically after work everybody will be able to reach me. And you can go in here and also change it to something, let's say else, for instance, instead of total silence, priority only, and then however it was set here, it will be that what is being affected by. So I could have, say, favorite contacts only and messages also from favorite contacts. And now, even though do not disturb mode is enabled, any contact that I have added as a favorite would be still able to reach me. And no matter how it's, like if it's disabled or enabled, right here, it will always be enabling itself at specific time that we have set. This is more of a way to enable it right at the moment. So if I now check it on, it's going to be enabled. And yeah, that is basically how you can set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.